everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying out the Sensitive Eyes kit from Avène. So if you want to see how this goes, then keep on watching. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also please check out my fitness channel, which is called Lauren's Fitness Journey. Alright, so I've actually got 3 products from Avène to try out today. The first 2 are in the Sensitive Eye kit from Avène. It's called Eau Thermale Avene Les Essentiels, a Soothing Eye Contour Cream, which is this one. And then there's also a mascara in here. It's called the High Tolerance Mascara, which is very interesting. So I guess it is like a mascara for sensitive eyes. The other thing I have to try out today is their famous Eau Thermale setting spray. It is actually just a face spray. I don't believe it's like specifically a setting spray, so you can use it even if you're not wearing makeup, and it's just like really refreshing and nice on your face. I have heard really good things about this over the years, so I am excited to try it. Okay, so let's start with the eye cream. It comes in another one of these boxes like this, and of course it is in French first because it is a French company. It is made in France. So here is the eye cream, and there's also a slip of, I don't know what, instructions? It's an eye cream. I don't know if I need all of this. I'm probably not going to read those instructions, but I will of course try out the eye cream. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. It has a really nice applicator that makes it easy to apply the eye cream. It spreads out quite thin, so I really didn't need to use this much, but it feels really high quality and nice. And even though it spreads out quite thin, you can still really feel that there's like a good amount of eye cream on. So I'm really happy with this. I have a feeling I'm going to really like this product. Alright, so next up I'm going to do the mascara, and it comes in a very similar box. It says High Tolerance Mascara Black, intensifies, separates, and reshapes. So it comes in a very like thin tube, and it says Couvrance on it instead of Avène. The eye cream does say Avène, so just the mascara says Couvrance. Maybe they have a different kind of line for makeup. Okay, let's see what the brush looks like. Okay, there's just like a little bit of discoloration on the brush here, but it's just like the black plastic didn't stick or something. Anyway, it doesn't look dangerous or anything. So the brush is like a curve on one side and it's flat on the other side. So that might be good for doing the lower lashes. Wow. So this is what it looks like after one coat. It's definitely darkened my eyelashes and curled them. So here's with mascara and here is without mascara. And the flat side is actually quite nice for the bottom lashes. Okay, now I'm just doing the other side to even it out. And once again, I think this is really nice. It leaves your lashes, like it's not too volumized. It's more just like lengthened and natural. And I do think the effect is quite beautiful. So here is what I'm looking like after applying the eye cream and the mascara. And I have to say I like it a lot. The eye cream really feels just like nice on my skin. And the mascara is not too clumpy or volumizing, it's more just like lengthening and darkening. Intensifies, separates, and reshapes. Yes, it definitely does separate and it curls quite nicely, so I think it's quite a beautiful everyday mascara. It's not really for those girls who like to wear like a heavy face of mascara or face of makeup and they want their mascara to look like fake lashes, because it doesn't. It's definitely more natural, but I do think it's a beautiful everyday mascara. So now I'm just going to pop on some lipstick and then I will try out the face mist. And this is just a Wet n Wild red lipstick. It's in the shade Just Garnet. And I am putting the lipstick over a heavy layer of Vaseline, so that's why it's not as intense, but it is very comfortable. Alright, let's try out this face mist. I have to figure out how to get it out of the shrink wrap first. So it looks like this. And inside it looks like it has a pretty high intensity spray thingy nozzle. Alright, let's give it a go. I'll spray my hand first just to see what the spray is like. Oh wow, it's really nice. It comes out in like a cloud. Okay. That's really nice. Wow. Okay. I really like that a lot. I think I would love this in the summer. I had one of these from e.l.f. Cosmetics, just a cheap coconut one, and I kept it in my purse in the summer and I would take it out and spray my face when I was hot, and that was great, and I think this would be perfect for that. Yeah, it's literally just like a spray of really nice water, more so than a setting spray. I don't think there's any alcohol in here or anything like that. Okay, I found the ingredients and it's just water and nitrogen. So there isn't alcohol or anything like that that's going to make your makeup last longer. So it is just like a nice spray for your face, which I'm sure you could use if you had overpowdered your face. Like adding a bit of water would make it look nice, but it's also just like a really nice refreshing water spray. So yeah, I think this is very luxurious. These three products were actually a gift from a friend of mine who is getting married tomorrow. I'm very excited for her. I love her so much and I just want her to be so happy. So yeah, this was a really nice gift. I really would recommend buying this kind of thing for a gift because it is a bit expensive to be buying a spray of like water for yourself. But if you are in the mood to treat yourself, it is very nice. But yeah, I think I would more recommend it as a gift than something you'd buy for yourself. And I found the mascara and eye cream to be really nice, and I will use these up completely. I think they're super nice. So this was a lovely kit, the Sensitive Eyes kit. Alright, so that is everything for today. Thank you for watching. Again, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.